Good afternoon, and it's swimming day again, and it's much hotter than yesterday. They said it was actually going to be colder than yesterday, but it's not. The river's actually looking clearer today than what it was yesterday. It's starting to calm down, let's say, from what it's been doing. Probably by next week the water will be, if it doesn't rain too much, I think it's going to rain at the weekend a little bit, but if it doesn't go mental, the river will go back to where it normally is, which is pretty calm. Makes it a lot easier for swimming, let's say. Certain things you can do in it, and certain things you can't. You don't risk it, basically. It's kind of funny walking through it. I'm 5'5", and them ferns are higher than I am. I'm going to be back again. It's a lot more better today because the sun's out, lighting all the water up. Yesterday the sun wasn't out on here at all, so yeah, a lot more fun today. I'm going to see if I can go across this time over that side and see what happens. So it's the first time I've gone in, and what you only remember is cold water shock. You've got hot weather, it's about 28 degrees, and the water temperature is probably about 12, 10, maybe even lower than that. So you don't go and just jump in, because if you want a heart attack, it's the best way probably. It's just get your body acclimatised to it, that's all you do. Just basically a quick thing. The joys of cold water swimming should speak for itself. You're in beautiful countryside, natural environment, and you get to be with nature. You get to see the fish. Everything is natural. It's not forced upon you. You have to understand everything around you to do this, to make it more fun. If you didn't have an understanding, you could get hurt really quickly and even drowned. You don't want to do stupid things doing this. Always, never be a hero. Nature is always bigger than you. Always think that. It's a powerful thing, nature. And I forgot to take the shorts off, but then again, yeah, I'll put the short. I'll walk back where I don't dry myself off, so the shorts get wet. You've got to let your body get used to it, the shock. Just to let it's acclimatising your body. That's all you do. That's all you do. Right, so I've done the toothpaste trick on these. It's not meant to fog up, so I'll try it. You wash them with toothpaste. Nice, a nice minty smell. Yeah, it looks alright. Right, I'll take you in. Yeah, we missed them up a bit. It's me thinking that was deep here. It's about an inch deep. No, it's about an inch. That's funny, that. Yeah, the main flow is right in the middle. It did actually catch me on that bit. It actually spun me round where I wanted to be, so yeah, it's quite funny, that. with some fish. There's some decent sized fish down here somewhere, just spotted them. That's where the fish are hiding out. Just having a minute. Oh, beautiful place. Anyway, I know where the fish are hanging out. They're hanging out around there. So they're in the slack water, basically. So, don't have to say much. It's so beautiful. You let the nature do the talking, really. Right. let's go back in. Let's go and find these fish.
There's a big tree here that's been washed down here with all the force of the water. It's been jammed down here. so cool. It's quite hard to swim in the current with a camera in your hand. If you've never done this, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. It's an experience. Yeah, you're gonna get cold, but yeah, I'll say that today. Just warm back up like a lizard, really. And always watch the wet rocks. Wet rocks are not very good. No matter what you're wearing. I love how you got a deep run over there and stuff like that. So cool. I don't know how the hell the kids even tied it up there in the first place. Go and check that log down there and just warm up for a couple of minutes. It's time for lizard mode for a minute. that's very, very difficult to actually dive down because I'm quite because I've got stomach issues. I'm very buoyant at the back end, so I want to tilt like that, and I can't get down properly with the camera in my hand. It's like pulls me at tilt a little bit. I'm getting used to the snorkel still. I don't think I've. So they use a releasing agent. As you can see, it's sort of like cleared in the middle and not on the edge. That's it'd be much easier. The flow's okay, I can deal with the flow now. But going into that middle where it starts to speed up, it's like you go whoop on this bit down here and that middle bit there, you can feel it hitting you. But you're not gonna have anything happen to you here because it's too shallow. You just be able to stand up. But, rather fun. In, well, that was that's just, I love doing that. You know, that's so cool. That really is.
Anyway, as I said, hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to come down here tomorrow. And so I want to be down here at roughly about 12 o'clock. So the sun's direct over. Makes it better for the camera. Ladies.